हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं भट्ट मैम। सब्जेक्ट है हमारा स्विच गियर एंड प्रोटेक्शन, यूनिट 1। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम देखते हैं अभी। फर्स्ट हमारा टॉपिक है परसेंटेज रिएक्टेंस। फॉर सेविंग ऑफ टाइम इन कैलकुलेशंस द रिएक्टेंस इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन परसेंटेज. This is defined as the percentage of the total phase dropped in the circuit when full load current is flowing. Therefore, percent of x equals to Ix upon V into 100, where I is FL current in ampere, X is reactance in ohm per phase, and V is phase voltage. Percent reactance can also be expressed in terms of kVA and kV from above equation. Therefore, X equals to percent of X into V divided by 100 minus I. Simplifying, that is multiplying numerator and denominator by V, we get X equals to percent X into V divided by 100I into V. Therefore, this equation becomes percent X into V upon 1000 into V upon 1000 into 1000 divided by 100I into V upon 1000 into I. Therefore, it becomes percent X into kV square into 10 upon kVA. Therefore, percent X equals to kVA into X upon 10 into kV square, where X is the reactance in ohm. If only reactance is in the circuit, that is omitting resistance, capacitance, etc., then the short circuiting current is given by ISC equals to V upon X, that is I into 100 upon percent X, where we will put X equals to percent X into V into 100 divided by I. This is from equation number 1. From this equation number 1, where I is full load current, that is short circuiting is obtained by multiplying full load current with 100 upon percent X. It is seen that calculations use of percent X rather than the ohmic value as reactance makes calculation more quick and simple. Now let's see base kVA. kVA rating of different elements in the system are different. Percentage reactance depends on kVA rating of the equipments. It becomes necessary to find percentage reactance of all the elements on a common kVA rating. This kVA rating is known as base kVA. Here, first, generally, base kVA is selected by sum of all kVAs of the system component, or highest kVA rating amongst the element is taken as base kVA rating, or any arbitrary value can be taken as a base kVA. Therefore, generally it is taken as base kVA rating. Therefore, percent reactance at base kVA equals to percent reactance at rated kVA into base kVA upon rated kVA.